Marketing today feels impossible sometimes, as if you're fighting a losing battle just to be remembered by your audience. People scroll through their feeds like they're on autopilot, and the only thing that breaks the monotony is immediate, real, and authentic video content. The truth is that making and scaling high-quality video is often brutal for busy teams. You likely have a goldmine of long-form recordings like webinars and interviews just sitting in a drive and gathering digital dust. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone in wondering how to squeeze every drop of value from those recordings. Enter a practical AI tool that transforms your long-form content into social-ready, viral-friendly pieces automatically. Think of it as an intelligent partner that scans your podcast or webinar and finds the most engaging, bite-sized moments for you. This helps marketing teams do much more with less, without needing a full production department or an expensive freelance editor. The AI identifies the best jokes, revelations, and mic drop lines to turn them into short, formatted videos optimized for every social platform. Beyond editing, it solves the massive time sink of scheduling by letting you set a cadence that keeps your feeds fresh without constant babysitting. With a centralized content calendar, you can see what is queued and move things around without juggling scattered spreadsheets. While other tools are either too expensive or too complicated, this solution focuses on solving the actual workflow problem. Imagine taking a 90-minute webinar and turning it into a handful of 60-second clips and carousel-ready pieces that drive traffic for weeks. Podcasters can now pull out the funniest, most insightful segments to package as evergreen content for every major social channel. For companies running frequent product updates, the time savings allow your team to focus on strategy instead of tedious editing. The ultimate goal isn't just to make content, but to make content that builds authority and consistently converts viewers into leads. Because the tool understands how to keep things native, your clips will look like they belong on the feed rather than like overproduced ads. You maintain full control by being able to review clips, tweak captions, and add your specific brand touch whenever you need to. Simply record your long-form session, drop it in, let the AI surface the best moments, and set your posting schedule. In a world where attention is short, your long-form content should be working just as hard as you are. If you want a workflow that is powerful, simple, and designed to scale, it is time to give this AI a shot. Stop letting your best ideas gather dust and start turning one long video into a month of social media reach today.